get on the freeway, we're gonna stop in here at the Coffee Bean and Tea Leaf and get a little pick-me-up. I'm becoming an addict, you guys, because there's another pop-up shop going on. It's KKW. It's about her red lipstick and red liner. I think it's kind of cute for Valentine's Day. And I'm just intrigued because these pop-up shops are so adorable that why not check it out if it's close to home, right?
I mean, yeah. Look at this. Moving. Can the camera touch that? I want to kind of see everything. These changes. Look how beautiful. We've got the crystals, everything. Which, by the way, I'm wearing the crystal fragrance right now. And when you walk kind of through here, and this is, I don't know if you can see it, but it's like moving. So amazing. It's really, really beautiful. I'm just going to pop it on. I think I'm so glad browns are back. I can't even tell you guys. Welcome back, 90s. We're back, and I have a little bag of goodies. So we went up to the pop-up shop, and it was so fabulous. I was thoroughly impressed, and I mean that with all my heart. With that being said, I am not a huge Kardashian fan. I think they're beautiful, strong business women. I'm not all over social media, like tracking their every move. I don't watch the Kardashians or keeping up with the Kardashians. You know, I've watched it, but it's not something that I do all the time, okay? With that, I did see on Trend Mood that she was launching a red lipstick and lip liner and had a pop-up shop in Costa Mesa. And so with it being so close, how could I not go, right? So we went up there today, and before I show you even what's in the bag, I've got to tell you, the place is immaculate, as you saw. I was so impressed with everything in there, from the entrance to the placement of the products. So what's so nice is they have 4 different areas where they have live product for you to try, and each area is the same product, okay? So there's 4 little rooms, and it has the same product in there. There is an attendant in every room to help you if you have any questions or want to try something. They're right there. Super, super friendly. The product, I loved that it was so neat, so clean. Again, I could go on and on because it was just really, really impressive. I mean, so beautiful. Then we got to looking at the products, and I saw the red lipstick and lip liner, and it's very pretty. I'm not a real red lipstick and lip liner kind of gal, but I did want to go and check it out. And she actually has I think they said next week, they're launching these 4-packs, and it's like reds, pinks or mauves and browns, nudes, browns, something like that. I didn't get to see those. I wasn't sure if they were out yet. They told me next week they're coming. They're going to be at the pop-up shop too. I had known about the red lipstick and lip liner and also known about the others, so I was kind of like wanting to check it all out. They have the whole line though, so I did get some things and I want to show you. Again, the girls in there were super helpful and just wonderful. They really, really were. The whole experience was awesome. So this is how it works when you go in. They have all the products laid out. You can try whatever you want. And they have this sheet similar to a sushi order sheet. And you just mark off what you want. You go to the checkout counter and they go over the items with you. Great process. So what I did get, when I got there, I saw these, not anything I was looking for, to be honest with you. But when I saw them, they were so beautiful that I had to get it. So the first one here is a gloss. And oh my gosh, you guys, it's so beautiful and so shiny. Now it does have, I tried it on in the store and it's a little tacky, but I liked it. So it's not overkill by any means. It's the Super Nude. It's going to be beautiful. I think it would be beautiful alone. It is definitely beautiful over this. So I'm just going to show you what it looks like. It's so pretty. I'm going to put it on my hand because I don't want to get lipstick on the brush. So little tip, if you don't want to get lipstick on your wand and save this for when you're not wearing anything, just put it on your hand and dab it on rather than ruining your sponge that's in the case and mixing the product. Oh my gosh, you guys, it's so pretty. Can you tell a difference? I mean, I can here. It has a hint of color. So I know it's going to be beautiful with literally any shade that I wear. So I did pick this up. Gorgeous. This is a little far cry from red. But when I saw everything, you know her nudes are gorgeous. So when I saw them, I was like, I have to have it. Okay, so then as I was looking and talking to them about the lipsticks that are coming out, and they said they weren't coming out till next week. Also, they're coming out with some Valentine's Day stuff. So this pop-up shop, I think, is through, I want to say February. You can always call South Coast Plaza and double check that. That's what I did. I called the concierge and they told me. So you've got time to go check it out. I'm telling you, it's so worth it. I was so impressed. I guess because I had no expectation going in. Maybe that's why I am like so impressed. And I will say last year we were in Miami and literally by accident we were walking by and I saw Dash Boutique and I don't know. It was okay. This, on the other hand, another level. So beautiful. So while I'm looking at the area of all of the beautiful cosmetics laying in front of me, I find the gloss. That's a shoo-in. Loved it from the very first moment that I put it on my hand. Like I was like, okay, I want this. Then I look behind and I see this gorgeous palette, KKW and Mario. It's so beautiful. I touch it, it's even more beautiful. Ouch. I'm gonna show you some of the colors. Gosh, you know when it's so, like, I don't wanna touch it because it's so pretty. But I'm gonna swatch them for you. I'm gonna attempt to swatch them for you because I'm not the best. I haven't got my swatching skills down. Nes and I were talking. He thinks he needs to invent a swatching system.
Don't be giving away my ideas.
Oh my gosh, don't tell anybody. That's just between you guys and us, okay? Anyways, so I'm gonna swatch the first 5 on top. They're like just kind of earthy tones. I mean, all of them are really. And then you have this purple, this blue. Gosh, they're so pretty. They're so pretty. I'm so excited. Not even what I was looking for, really. I was going So if you guys watched my previous video, it is a reference. It's teaching you lip liners and all the great positives of wearing a lip liner. So really, honestly, I was going there to just check out. She's got great lip products, so I was going to check that out. And then I came across this and I was like, I need it. I really, really need it. So, swatch number 1. So the colors, there's 5 colors. The packaging is beautiful. It's like this gray muted, gorgeous. Really, it goes with the decor in the pop-up. You guys, for you guys that live here, like in SoCal, and if you can get over there, I'm telling you, you need to go. It wasn't crowded. It wasn't crazy. It is worth going. I don't know if we got everything that was in there because my mind was on overload, like all my sensories. They were like, there was too much to look at. Seriously, it was so beautiful. Yeah, that's true. Art meets beauty is a great way. I mean, from the couches to the layout of the cosmetics. I keep on going back to it, but I can't help it. Like, honestly, I could live in that pop-up shop. Just get me a bed. And I'll be Murphy bed. We'll slide it up when in the morning comes and everybody can come in. I'll just go in after. Anyways, okay, so the packaging's muted. Some of you guys may have already seen it. It's not like it's new. Muted packaging, really, really pretty. Mirror inside if you're gonna use a mirror or if you're on vacation or whatever. And then I want to go over, okay, here goes my swatching business. What finger are you supposed to use? I don't even know. Okay, here's the first color. Okay, this is color number 2. Ooh, that was pretty good. Color number 3. This is a matte. Color number 4. This is more gold. So the first 2 were metallic. Here's another metallic. That one's more closer to my skin tone, but I don't know if you can see it. It's really pretty. And then here is another matte. They're so beautiful. Like, they're as beautiful as they were in the store when I touched them. They're so gorgeous. I'm excited to wear them, you guys. So that's the first 5 colors. I love them all. They feel so creamy. Okay, and now I'm going to attempt with my right hand, which I don't know if I've shared how left-handed I am. Oh, that was pretty good. There's the white. This is like a white. I need it though. Can I put it on my chair? Did you see that? I played softball in high school. Here is like a... Look at that. Oh my gosh. Then there is a purple. I'm so excited to try these. You know, I didn't know swatching was such an art. Here's the blue. I did touch this one in the store because I'm always looking for a pretty blue. Oh my gosh. Look at that. And then the last one, again, is like a metallic of the one up on top. So here you go. That's the palette. 10 colors. The palette is $45. The product feels amazing. I wish I could wear every single color tomorrow. I really, really do. I'm so excited. They're so pretty. So, so pretty. Really excited to try these out. They have the colors on the back here, which, I mean, do you really care? Do I need to say the colors? I'm not going to say them because you know why? It's the weekend and I don't have my contacts in. Woo-woo! They're beautiful. I can list the colors down below for you. It'd be a very long video if I were to try and read that because the font is too small and I can't read it. So that is what we did today. It was so much fun. I could go back. Honestly, I think I might because they're Valentine's Day. So she's launching. She had her fragrances too. Shay and TJ went with us today. They were even like in awe. And at the end of it, there's an area and she has all of her fragrances in there. and it's a huge palette actually. So February is around the corner. Valentine's Day is upon us, people. And what we're doing for the next few months are category specific months. So February is going to be Foundation February. 2019, it's all about the glow. Join me every week this next month and we will be going over foundations that are coming out or foundations that I've just been wanting to try. And I will, get down to the nitty-gritty and see what they're all about. As always, thanks for sharing your time with me. Make sure you're subscribed. If you like this video, if you like these type of vlogs, I'm loving it, honestly. Hit that like button and give me a thumbs up. And also make sure that the notification bell is on so you're notified every time we post. Take care, and I will see you soon. Bye-bye.